Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get rid of flickering on your camera, on your Facecam Neo from Elgato. So if you experience any flickering on your screen because of the lights, most probably, then you should scroll down to processing and find anti-flicker. And depending on whether your lights are working in 60 or 50 Hz, you should set it to that. So if you don't know, probably don't know, I don't know either. I think it depends on your country actually. Like on the energy source, in different countries there are different frequencies of the power, so I think it depends on that. In my case, both will work just fine because I'm using LED light, which doesn't really flicker. But if yours flickers, then just test out which one works better for you and actually makes flicker disappear. And I hope that video is helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.